Hello guys, this is me, LM9696. I will show you how to do a free ringtone for iPhone on Macintosh. Firstly, select your song you wish to transform in a ringtone. I chose this FIFA 10 song. Now right click and click Get Info, Options, Start time, your desired starting time, and your stop time. Remember that it has to be maximum 40 seconds long. Then you have to do right click and create AAC version. Then you have to drag it in your desktop. And this is very important, you have to rename it to M4R. It's very important, if not, you will not have this ringtone. M4R. Once you wrote M4R, you click on yes, I want to keep M4R, and then simply drag it on iTunes. Then you can delete your AAC form song, and then you are there. You have your ringtone. So you can choose by automatically transfer it on your iPhone or simply drag it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice watching and relax. Subscribe please, and rate and comment please.